ho dodo na no ne okay aduane ye e wo mokasia na kitchen na ho nsem na kwa bibia wonum ti yada aye multimedia say big chef media mo dia ba say etiti ya dofo ya dehye other tender is your hu see this year aduane no you cannot get any other show better than big chef there bro nti yada wo fo no so asia motimedia back mama na aduane ahodo nyina no mo hu ye titiri de nya ekese pa ne say dey especially when you are recommended that one control ne emire nti me de ayi beka ho ene uba nkran hunta hu sa nkwan ne kase kra rere nkwan hunta hu ne kase kra one say very another strong healthy one pa ema ya fo nso akoso akire ye man but quick reminder and they confirmed cases 5,735 recoveries 1,754 nipa yade agi won nkwa 29 very unfortunate yadi council you was a tracer and one of our revered politicians umpel yechro Ghana bakwasem a enya de betime di emuda wabon homodin yi enya Ghana nkwa the name de atra Ghana here now it is even said sir he's among the hopefuls for a running mate position in the NDC party wadi Ghana chiate watete Ghana masho amanyo semu de ebekoso amanyo sem bia no wahunu bipe de hu ye na nya nsiye we are privileged yenya Johnson Asiedu Nketia General Akwa
yeah
bibia come on
COVID-19 braid there but then bibia to me come on
German league anyway waka say bibia Sekwa hospital na kan wasem me what was the challenge with that Sekwa hospital according for you could say
no I am soccer
yes what was the challenge
so now I can't project here na ye Russia team we no ntem even cry before 2016 no na ye free ho no am say omujai to mu na abandoned ntina nsa ya na adwuma a charge man be miensa emu miensa no afi na contractor ba ko bi so na omde nam say yeguso ye bebie no dwun ya ntina me de central for
but with this all this they are not binding to the mobile say we are the aferide sokodi kumaudi the jagu mubia mchira ban jagu mubia no nchimo ba muja chire mu na ebi wa mutu
say o mo no ka say o mo be ye o mbe wie adwuma no John ntina ma Ghana fo ko hu say adwuma ese e be wie no John no ne tebre ne ntimo ana mbedi ho dance.
I see. As we speak now, Febi near Febi or high.
Oh, and Yadia, June now, Macano, the Monday Dada Ghana for Nadia.
Well, Yababa hospitals is so by the company, Namia Bemi and Sapa Electoral Commission, and this Amanu Kunus, one to say the Onsi Hunyama, Anafigana management and Casa, Tedesico. None of the Anamakoyas and Chofo Chemo. Mopijan Sembibri, Titu, and to Electoral Commission for so. Electoral Commission for quickly at the New Year Abba. Me GDP face a woman who you be our Modia Ban saying, the kind, an independent body, n.p.p. among you could any tracker beer. The toss will be a young Kofabia, ni ho da omne NI for one time I bet me among NI for Timaku we are about to and as boy we are about to. The toss me and Samson say Ghana card ya can was since 2012. Now CI 91 and say no na eka. The toss will be able say no credit down so they say uni Ghana card and as uni passport as in amendment the damn she begin say press ne sekane ne asi nipa num na obetime dia dance amom na o ma pejam kura ko nipa du enti bibie dia dance say sansem ahodo aboka ye nyina no mo bom sire mu na bo apayo bi ntira pese mo de tuja. What really is the challenge as we speak now? The electoral commission me atia say edindro no won betro
enti ensem a ya kan eno anu ye na electoral commission for the buy enya eno anu ye kura no enti press conference ya nipa akuo miensa na nsem a ye de beto dwa no mo pese o mbe ya no ba ko n.p.p de no kura de no mfa ye press conference no kura nti eno no ye hunu se distraction bi keke o kan kwakwa na nse nase ho asem a nase yakoye bone no kan ho asem so me hewie mu am se ensuo nya tai beto ase okofa subject ya emfa nase no asem kura ma na munya na mkoka nsuo ho asem enti ye hunu se Makumenu ne response, so-called response also the abano, just diversion. Say in the Kwanya n.p.p for first year woman near Massam Kessie Bana Ebia. Womo we crowd there and ye n.p.p asem as such. Electoral Commission and NI say one more yard there. They say there one more year no. A home Addo no n.p.p for never benefit. Enti a mamuya stakeholder. Now asema yebe kan ye senka issues na ye raise ye no bi na ube fabia yi ano a. Then a man for aka say we say ade ye fita wo so see ye tuntum. But me say bofre ye they say green. Also akogyan ba bi say me say amango ye red. Just say your friend now, you can so that is why you make an attempt to cross it. You because say you follow the n.p.p for no cano. Now, what the bar a for electoral commission, and I electoral commission, and I for so a new year on the bar. And also, in a sense, you know, figures here, a year one more figures here, you go to divide. One man make us say, you want more free. And the figures, you know, so story I tell, you know, air canon, a more interpretation, also. Almost one challenge, also. The one more cockano, a fun bicurano, a buya de anosuncio, and my more evidence, say, you know, yasam na can no great. You say, Bako, and I for some on Pesa Omuyano. A summer or more can I hear me de pa and say. One more jetum, because I asked some more, I can say. What's a more betraying? Namode, and I a card, oh, yeah, near my list said the betraying. Basically, and I a card. And no Namo Bejana so actually didn't sad in Chileno. And your papa said, ye did two democratic election be our mind. Because one, Nipa, as I say, Omunya Aquanya at Tuabano. Do no anya quite and coaching. And I say, or mine no, and now say, could beat me, and she say, be a constitutional right, I will say, as I say, electoral commission, Chere Ubia, were the 18 years and above for Dean. I share my electoral commission. So much Ubia, were do 18 years and above for Dean. Now, Otimia Quanya, a Cotuabano. What the science is say, I don't know any judgment. If we say the set of figures, me no, and the buy. But when they say Nipa, I woman qualify say SSC actually Modino. A dinchra, and I for actually baby, or actually drew. One more resource, no, a good woman website. What these figures, no, edit to two Nipa. One more drew says SSC actually Modina. I just say, and Yakura. I just say, Jumano. For far, or more figures here, na or much, baby, or much drew. And the car say, Sabi, young conquer far existing voters register no crime fan compare no maka say, oh, existing voters register, you say you're flawed, and you say, that. So voters register no, a din be abro so crano. And ya woma echo to about 2016 no na woma abro so. Wamo de muhu say, wamo koko to aba. E you sue biometric no to aba. Inti numbers here, eto about 2016 in all the 10 regions. And the far and the total. So far, and I registration. One more in Master who be judo. Who share your figures now? Who be judo? Who far by bit to say, in fact, in all the 10 regions, no, make 10 because base data they compare na young creative regions into the 10 into way so you are compressing into the old 10 regions. Until they compare 7 out of the 10 regions, ebia ni ho a nipa na yefo atwere omudin se wo ye Ghana forces ya no wo dodo duru wo eto aba 2016 eyi president
but enomo imanu ha NDC claim NIA has only registered 11 million Ghanaians and issued only 7 million cards. Their response: NIA under the current government has done remarkably well, given the initial challenges that confronted it, namely limited technical capacity, and then financial resource constraints. Starting with a daily average of approximately 30,000 registrations per day in late April 2019, NIA's latest daily average registration stands at a minimum of 105,000 due mainly to invigorated equipment capacity and the attainment of operational excellence by the technical staff. With this significant boost in daily throughput, a minimum of 100,000 applicants can be registered each day. Thus, NIA can register 3 million Ghanaians in approximately 30 working days, and the target of 12 million would have been met by 27th March 2020.
So okay, bro, for you. Yeah, see, dear one ye. And now saying commit me, I say, commit me, I say, commit me, I say. Yeah, Chiro said, dear one ye.
But some of the COVID never show. Say, yeah, COVID, the who's answer.
And I'm saying, COVID ni ho, dear one no do ya say. And now, so can say, dear ye can say, Oma capture sa 11 million, no. Yeah, boy, Oma capture 17 million, 18 million. Now we are no. Now, yeah, child say free him a bio, as we sit here. Nipa, what me actually mudini. And now be so yamra say, Woma actually mudini no kwan, a bet me, I did Woma Kwama Makotaba. So, explanation say, ya boost to your capacity. First, now you 30,000. Say, you bet me 100,000.
But for COVID, and come clear on the
COVID, anyhow.
That's say.
Very well. And you can say, with COVID, you know, says, yeah, you have figures here, and to make us say, Menana, and yeah, Sasabran Cotias. Says a sabrona, Babicuna, no. Also, to us, a Menana, and yes, Sasabran Cotias. And we are talking to you about asset now, more
current figures.
Current figures, yeah, Mose Money, and the current figures is soon, I must say, Modiqua trading. Enti the impact ya de beba ne say ye be this franchise nipa no bebre enye democracy kwanso.
But some more creative innovative ways now that Sankopie quarter almost e de hihye egu akwam a de di kan social distancing ene ye hwese ye be hihye de e kata ehun ya kobodi
twatwa ode kwa ba bia ode kono kra anya ya.
Dem say aboa because ono the fobo no come COVID. Say COVID won sunsun so ama.
And I say when the diffo we are talking about say we say this figures way and ebe man nipa no agina so ato aba
nipa do na entimi nipa do na
enti say COVID na ya wantimi antwiro say when na ya wantimi antwiro. We are not talking about the reasons why you couldn't register. We are saying say as at now nipa na wa register say wo mo na semra yi adwuma wo mo nko na ye Ghana fo ebetimi akoto aba no ni which is
deliberate disenfranchisement.
Men can say deliberate, men can intention.
But I am the saying position now I'm going to
say this is just one of them. Enti eno no clear say this is what you have gotten. Enti we call Upper East here. More than 50% of nipa no ewo ho no nyina wo mo qualify say eye nhye say electoral commission be twere mo din wo mo nyina ntimi ntwere ba wo mo ni card no bi wo mo ntimi ntwere din no bi wan twere wo mo din say wo mo ye Ghana fo oko Upper West are the same story oko Central Region nipa more than 300,000 wo mo nya kwan kora say wo mo ye Ghana fo say 300,000 e kan nipa wo mo koto aba just 2016 year ho enye just registration figures wo mo koto aba 2016 wo mo ntimi nya kwan koto aba no 27 regions nyasa. Then you come to Ashanti region. Ashanti region kwana ohwe nipa ekoto aba 2016 no ene de sesi a omo atwere duru no nipa abeka ho so ekobe 400,000
in Ashanti region.
Yes. Enti ne eka se ena Eastern region enso omo nwieye anti nka omo guso a omo ya figures ya omo generate no eno so bebro nipa eto about 2016 ɛne yɛka sɛ dabi anadwo ma na asɛm wɔ sɛ deɛ sɛ wopɛ sɛ yɛto aba na ɛyɛ genuine a nipa amra ma wɔ mo akwanya sɛ sɛ wɔ mo timi twere wɔ mo din na yɛkɔ kyerɛ yɛadwen na obi firi mu ba bɛyɛ president ya yɛaka sɛ Ghanafoɔ na yi no wɔ mo nie ɛna electoral commission so ni option they are bound by law say obi a wadi 18 bi a sɛ sɛ twere no sɛ saa court ruling yi bi ɔmo san emphasize say Ghana ni bi a wadi 18 bi a ɛsɛ sɛ twere di ɛno na ɔmo gyina so anka ɔmo kɔ aburukyire akɔpɛ nipa twere wɔ mo din no nti sɛ nipa a ɔmo gu Bolga nipa a ɔmo gu Cape Coast nipa a ɔmo gu Sunyan wɔn no wakɔtwere agya bebree a wɔn ntumi nya kɔ ntwere din na ɔno nam sɛ wɔkɔ Greenland akɔpɛ Ghanafoɔ wɔ hɔ atwere wɔn din ɛno nti ɛma yabatoɔ asɛm no nkɔ yie nti no deɛ me deɛ ɛyɛ me dɛ wɔ ɛna ayɛfoɔ no yie no ho no sɛ they have agreed say data no ekuta wɔn no ɛyɛ incomplete data wohwɛ wɔn anu yie no a wɔn say
they have agreed that mo fi Ghana mo di atudwa no ɛyɛ no korɛ they have further agreed to say but for certain challenges
ɛna me ka ba wɔn agree say yɛ figure no yɛ correct na ɛyɛ incomplete
so that's correct
nti we don't have problem with NIA for explanation ɛyɛ incomplete nti nka Miria, me ba beko all those regions ya ma complaining no. Na ma ko akɔwie ni nyina. Eno ni mop up exercise no. Na manya breso a printi cards no nyina ma obia so nsa aka card no. Ansan de ahunu sɛ ya wie. Ansan de ahunu sɛ wo mo awie wo mo date. So osi COVID ya ma nka by June 2020. Na COVID ya ba enti mpacha 2020 June 2020 no film. Eno ti no sɛ saa na woyɛ wɔ adwuma ɛna wɔn ni deadline bia o sɛ eduru ha na wɔn nwie ya wɔn afɔ mmara bia wɔn mmara no ma wɔn deadline wɔn ana yɛ wɔn nhyehyɛ sɛ nka wɔn bɛwie wɔn yie na wɔn ntumi nwie nti akwanya wɔ hɔ sɛ wɔn bɛyɛ wɔn adwuma wɔn nkɔyɛ wɔn adwuma na wɔn ntoa so na mmom wo a wose ɛna deɛ no ayɛ complete nti wo bɛgyina ɛno so de ama yakɔto aba no wo ne ɛne wo asɛm.
Oh, so.
Because nipa na ono twa na de kura se me ntwe Ghanafoɔ no nyina nwie enti ka afi na me ba be mop up exercise o te ase afi kura na sesi aye kan wo mo ekuta card no bi na ye card no bi ankasa no eno nso ne chemu no eye so skilled uko babia NDC strongholds no wa.
But that's the argument I don't want
that I'm telling you, but that's
very unfair.
Because you don't understand.
No, but because I am interested because say I'm NDC ni what do you man how fine antia says I can see I must know but dear to say emu da opefe a system.
And I also yen tum ko si say ye be hu say emu da opefe. That is the point we are making. Because says here no say wako register wako check cards the same technology but be wo what me a check cars on 50%. Baby wo what me a check 60%. Na baby aye so hold no. Watch 4%, 5%. What story does it tell you?
Is that the case?
That is the case. Kokore Upper East and Upper West. 94 or so percent of nipa register omuni card. And these are figures which cannot be contested by the NIA. And I say, the kwa voters register. We say, electoral commission for so can say, oh, and your voters register and your NIA card and kwan, ya say, new law, no,
passport.
Unim. And I know then I'm the then now the koji and I, passport.
Yeah.
Into be our passport, so and I. Into the same people. Into can and I, Nipa or more part, Tama or more country and I dino. Then Nipa 7 million and our passport. And I'm say, Yemfa passport on your breeder document. Niemfa, no, not 2 million our passport. And Yemfa 7 million our birth certificate. Into I'm saying Yemfa birth certificate. Any breeder document. Yemfa passport, any breeder document. and you can say, nipa 30 million near Chile. So, Quaco registration. Off swearing, no, I see nipa be media dance here, and no human intervention, woman mistake bit member. And no, you apply it after say, what share all forms of identification. Now, a certain small minority be.
So, all forms of identification. All forms. Okay.
Open those breeder documents now. A bit me cover the largest number of nipa opese oko register. Asenso de be na oka say no ne mfa mechira. A bit me cover nipa dodo no a obie. In registration practice no ne ye. Na kakra bi wo ye dan kakra bi be wo ho a wo mu ni bi. Wo mu ne efre nipa. Say ne mu medi wo mo ho adanse. Na wo mo nkoto. Wo de toto aba ye to no a. Unse se obi tom print na amfa waye watom print ya amfa ye see no verification. Process bi wo ho a wo be form na de waye manual verification. Enti se kokoba se process ye be manual verification no eno ye be say 70%. Na de betimi verify with afidie no 30% ya. Na wo system no useless. There's a problem. Eno nti no registration ya wo mo kokoye ye ka say monfa biometric voters card no ya establish biometrically technologically mujidi say eye correct no because the modi ba be Ghana card ye the same biometric enti say wo base ya data bi wo ha eno ye de biometric register dada na send the wutia ye say wo de eno kura be ye wo base eno nti no ye mu yi voters card no free mu na ye kan mo ka say nipa be ba be di adanse ne aso affidavit no affidavit de no quality nuru de ye de biometric any technology are established no because affidavit and e be adanse die say da bia wo hia say o ya yi obi be di adanse na e betumi abo a o man no nka the effort to even get ID card in the first place no ke ho hia by nim say adanse die no ho imperfections into ne ye card enti se edikai I establish technologically nipa bia omkuta bia no ehia dansidie na wo mo so cover majority of Ghanaians now say sa card no me mfa nkotwere din na passport wa any birth certificate ya e cover nipa 7 million out of 30 million pe e na de kotwere din ubenya problem but ena wo man ti ase say ya response ya wo mo de ba
ena ka making catch because
response ya wo mo de ba wo mo say 60% of nipa ye register o mu no nyina ye through adansidie ne swearing of oath enti eno any the nkae technology I established no ye wo he na accurate
but Jerome Pacho buko iPack an gomo be na mudi
Pacho NIA for ma iPack
electoral commission say na me
no me kan na ya say ye gu na o mix ni mienu a yeah eno enti no wo mo ba ye office ene ye ka say ade we si ye no open say ye de bua Ghana for dia ye Ghana for 30 million at that time. Emu 17 point something over 17 million could have voter card. And notice a voter card no can breeder documents no one. Now sign the passport and the birth certificate and also could have 7 million become one. Let's just say what do best say 24 or so million.
Yeah.
Until the attestation if swearing of oath no echo establish nipa be say 6 million or 7 million. And we are more sensible than say, would the majority 22 million and now this swearing of oath, normally and they are deal with human interventions, until you make a woman here. And until that we pointed out, say, who say registration, no, a whole resource now,
okay, but NIA force in country. There is no truth to the allegation NIA does not operate on the basis of political strongholds. NIA's operation planning is based on population statistics of each region obtained from Ghana Statistical Service. The duration of the mass registration exercise in a particular region is therefore scheduled based on the number of residents in the region, as well as the number of applications that can be completed in a day. The registration process is open to all residents with the exception of being persons who are not Ghanaian citizens. There has therefore not been any deliberate effort to prevent applicants in any region to register. So I want to know
what's the condition no? Say unkuta ade bia untimi me register. Na nipa na ntimi ama wo say nyam na prevent no. That is the argument they are making. Because upper is upper west no ne ade a okay. Wo say nipa no nkuta passport on ntimi register. Nipa no unkuta birth certificate ya untimi register. Ono so ni bi. And now say jise okokoso e off. Ansa na waba be register nomne ade ade. And now utie many of the places in so the entire card in the manema nyina ma no. Uduru ba bia say o network nya adwuma wo ha. Network nya adwuma wo ha. Network nya adwuma wo ha. Network no citizen no a ono te ho a o entitled to register no. Ono na ye network no. Ono na ye network no. Ya una o ye. Enti me enjoy me right to say ese o ba be register me. Na se ma ba be duru ha me ko unua we kuro mu de network ye adwuma nti ma register o mu nyina wo ha no network ni ha nti register. Are you less of a citizen than obi a ono ni kuro mu ho no network ho wa bra me a wo say network ni ho a untimi register me no. I don't have any role to play in the network problem. Enti no na afen so de wo mo kan fese naturally obi aba mini ayi bia obi oditro bia obi sa na me de no krankwa na meka me de no what is that trophobia ko gina bonten aka say me de me ditro pa wo man obi ankasa obi oditro no ono na eka say no krankwa na meka obi a odi abro no because the results of your work and they are confronting
but they are explaining their challenges.
It's not about the explanation the explanation doesn't take the effect away.
But the point here, General, that important to was the point here, Omodika cultural say no mutim ponda. So mbeko ekrobi so anabia bi no mbesi obi kwan so wontimi mane ntro ni din and as onya Ghana card.
Again, na dia me kire oni say I didn't know the results were abani. And I tell say adwuma na okokoye no. They come by and say yes, they come by and say we no munya kwan twere, we no anya kwan twere. Uwe party no wo mo anya kwan twere no so no. Wo mo na twere a yenim say ho wo mo to abamaye. And we are looking at the effect of your work. It's not about your intention. Whether you have the intention or not, and they will yet to be approved. But the effect of your work in Unie. What explain we say China, it just said because of under explanation, Nipa 250,000 Omanya Quantre, Omudin will upper Eastino, Ombitima Atuaba.
Omojumamani, they cannot.
Enti wabe explain nature say we say ene mate ase wa explain enti sa nipa no yenya na wo mo entra wo say wo mo ntimi ntu aba no. That is not wabe explain. Let us now go and see how we correct it. Say the be ya be ba be gina ba bia ese say e gina na obi enjoy the right. Enu nti no on say ye wo murder ene ye wo manslaughter. Obi kum nipa the fact in say actus rules and immense rare. Act no take place here now. And the answer is yes. Intention being the war act no take place no. Boapaya na enye boapaya. Say ye ko na enye boapaya kura no a enkyere say nipa no wuye. So they can only come down to say you are guilty of manslaughter. It doesn't mean that the person is living. Until the air can't only say, a jumana akosuno akoya poto na hunsun sanso only say, nipa do say. I mean, more than a million. Wamunya kwai and to abanu bikura as a case de sakadi ne kwakoya. Na said the spread in Ususu Tieno. Yes, to say babia. Yet to aba. NDC winning nyina na womono womo ayino. Womo nyedodo no anya kwa entwere womudi. Enti kofa election results. Na beka kire say babia wo ka say ho na ye stronghold, nya ho na ye stronghold. Then we are communicating. But I'm saying say ho na ye stronghold. Na say me supporters no nya kwa entwere din ne abeto aba. Now say, come home, Benya Quantry, Dina, Ama Abroso. Nemo young Coto Abana and your fair. No electoral commission about Omoka Cohesono. Nadia Abana Omoka Coheso. And unti this is the time to correct those things. Election rigging, and yet I aba. But the situation be echo happen, yeshisha name be echo si say. About to no baso kura untimi winia. I just said that election no, the quality no, and yet democratic. And until as I say, yeshisha, and I say, electoral commission, one more human say, one best establish even playing field. Then let us come to some can we no manu NI for no yeno. Enti no de me can say NI for be confirm say wo adwuma no ye incomplete. Enti ye incomplete data and cover Ghana ni bia as say cover no. That being the case, you know, we be use to say incomplete data no say e no represent all Ghanaians inti o de ko twire din ama o ma best say o mo franchise bia no o so ye wrong. That is the point. Number 2, NIA for can say one electoral commission for any
they can collaborate somebody yes
okay case here they call court COVID directives no obi call court to a PA say nipa no akonya injunction NDC for akonya injunction e dey ato NIA for adwuma so say President intimi ma directive ni inclusive asore ni inclusive masalachi na sukusu nyina ye inclusive na wo NIA mo ye adwuma directly under the presidency muntimi mfa monkuku ne monkaka enko president no ankasa so ni krom se mo ye registration na ye de na no asem no aye mra echichi binom na mo a oni mo ye adwuma direct wo mo adwuma mo san akoye adwuma no so wo ni krom na mo be fa mo ho adi enti e de court na judge jitu mu say o mo nyai afi enkwati a sometimes na president wo mo ba year oh yenim ho hwe yenim ho president asofo no akuku dam no kokosra no wo ebo mpa ye ma no wo ayi ho no ba ko bisa no say na mo say ya lock down sa na ma nyina ye nya adwuma ya suspend sa na ma meetings na adi nya adwuma na yate say NIA for a registration or Eastern region president hwe wo mo nim ka say onte
but I say no not here was a big
good sameka me establish here o say onte na see you afi onte ya e just say ye na ye ko ama ya ko issue injunction no ye boa wa ma wadwuma
bia ko so kama
e na ya ko boa na ye di injunction na to so afi ye wo ha o mo ko ye appeal ya state lawyers ya president wo mo na ye abai no lawyer for no wo mo na akodi animu akogina court say ye ntia say injunction no be ye adwuma ye nyim free state lawyers even him say abai ye mra president ye mra bia wo mo draft na wo a wa draft mra ma ya ko nam so na obi boso na obi afri ba bia akoka say nipa ya obusu ide wo say president adwuma ntim de court akọ stop nipa no na wo a wo ye mra no wo san akogina court say o ma ho kwai na ye nyim free ho na nipa no nkobuso ye bisa say adentia wo say registration no and I registration no ye me de akwa akoto aba omo ye ama electoral commission for de akwa akoto aba nti ye nyi injunction na free so a sa Ghana ebe ha Ghana abato no these are all on record so e ho no e na cat no e ba out of the bag say nipa mo no ye yi amo kan wo so nim ho hwe afi so ye force wo so na ye wo de mraba asofo bi a wo mabusu kra akochi wo mo nipa ni na nenam krom ya chichi bi de wo ma court ya buebu special court na afi yakọ na yakọ akobisa say nipa a wo buso ono so nkan exempted yi ho wo so unim ho hwe na emie nipa na nafi wa ba say munya no manenko na mra no wo ya magana fo nyina na wo ya ma nipa bi no then ankosi ho after 1 year adi na edi say ya lift sign Johnson Ghana fo na di no go so chese wo monti me ankoto aso adwuma no e wo ho satam enti what it tells you ne say ye nwie wo mo ankasa se ye nwie na nipa o nwie ye Now say unwie kura wo adwuma no nam de koye adwuma. Enti electoral commission for no so a womo so ebeka say womo ne NIA fo ni nkutahudie bia no. Eye den na 17 institutions ya NIA for aboso user womo a wombe use data no so abubo be 16 or 17
aboso Senate NHI Statistical Service Birth and Death Registry any Ghana Immigration Service wabubo obododo na
aden na woko court no wanka say sa nkofu ne hia data no na okoyi electoral commission aka say electoral commission ne hia data no na tam wo adwuma so nkutahudie bia nko wo ne wo ntam. So you cannot tell me say Ghana for nyankwala.
So general catch NDC kusi koda enkoda. There name prescription in times like this for
your prescription need the right thing.
Election 2020.
You be use Ghana mradia ya adwuma e wo ne kwaso.
So
emra no say Ghana ni bia wadru 18 and above no. As a sort to aba. Na ye nhye say electoral commission etwere ne din. Enti say electoral commission ye nhye bia Ghana for adi 18 and above. Nya wo munyina na benya kwanya atwere wo mudin a wo mu bu Ghana constitution so.
Ba na mbusa say nti moko meeting ni electoral commission for ya. San susuye we nyina no.
Wonte ha na electoral say IPAC e adwuma. Wonte ha na ye ne wo mo yakoye saa nnemba e ho chinye sem ne ade wo mo say uhie be IPAC no kura ya yagu. Yakwa akote ye ne a committee of eminent persons. Committee of eminent persons no so na mo san akodi tro wo mo animu asa abre mu ntimi ne wo mo nhia bi.
Etro be no.
Because entra wo mo akodi wo mo animu ne say argument no by say ye betwe register na ye ntwe register wo mo ne ehia. Asem ba kopa na edamu a edi ahim ene say register no mo say ye credible bibibi answer mo say mfidi a ye de ye ho adwuma ne ade na mo pese mo sesa de a adenti na data no mo sesa ena wo mo kan wo mpanimfo no nyina nim se data no nya de a wo mo to agu wo mo enya se wo mo kan wo ma no keke wo printed documents chema 21 ayifo no nyina e ma ye nyina bi eye no slides e ma Ghana fo nyina hwe omo bisa say questions most people ask. Say, are we going to discard the current voters card? And I'm saying no 3 times. And I'm say, how would the people with existing voter card, and I'm saying, say, obi okuta existing voter card, Okodru registration center or the toha near Hesu near training din woko. When a yasamo, Mokancha, software kuku dam eminent persons, ya one kasa, ebo, ejama, umbetremunu. When a Mokan trail, Muntu bisa mumu bia documents ekutano say, electoral commission for say, Ubi okuta existing card no, ebenya kwaya training din dia, and the NDC for months a more can say. Ye 2 voters register guna ya be ye ntiase na enne moko akofiri saa nema nyina chi afa akire nwa obra na president afre parliament mpanimfo se wo momra na emadwene covid ho wo mo adwene covid ho nti eda ense se parliament kwa atranse enu nti ye ma parliament kwa atranse saa da Sada no meba mama no menka se bin si da mesro mama no nsi na omo ba ya mokwa cosmogre ayi CI91 amendment letter electoral commission actually to so and say ye dey ba for pre-laying according to parliamentary practice. Eno na da so na chairman sambo nso atimi akoye any other paper so on that day no atimi akoye other paper one free president ho ba wo makoye other paper addendum ye ba bele document ya nipa o de bakura nka se ye be ba for laying na wa kosore ya Mr. Speaker have played ye kan ho say ya lay 21 days ko and only Eastern region registration no so na ekoso aye kan eno so omunya no so kai say sa na mai na me kan say say na ekoso dia ene sa restrictions ya president wo ye ti say de o twe ye nyina ya dwene covid-19 ho no
ho na ma ko ka say
o de covid-19 enti adwen a eti akire ni say o pekwan bi no afa so ye nyina ya dwene wo covid-19 no afa akire minim yes because am ya adwuma 40 years enti adwen bi ta akire ana womo eye mo amonte ase no mu didi matam Ghana ha nyina akire ase aye ba se mo hu de ba
because me ka say de ni nyina so abeka kasa
sasa ate na wunim on say ade bi wo ho a ba bia nipa be obi betimi akoforo dua se o hwe akire onhu ba fan bi so te ho fam say ohun de e wo dua na achi obi afuru dua no ohun ade no nso obi te fam ba fan ontimi nante nso ohun ni nyina enu nti saa de no mekọ kan no wo mo a na wo mu nim adwuma na ni so no so ene general kura ajama o se wonyi ni se ade no kura wo ho de obi a interpretation bi a obi ade to so no de to so because of saa na mentra na ade no ba na hu early warning sign na wa correct a ebe kwa koduru bunumu se afa na pese correct na
so amendments here in omo fa asie boko
sa enti anunti akire wo mokoye mai wo withdraw ansa na wo sign ale wo withdraw no 2 times third one was so here because kwanya ye nyina ya establish say ye fa so yihye abato omrei ye wo committees kura wo electoral commission say legal committee and a technical committee all along legal committee your parties no representatives from electoral commission for representative from enti semra bi na yepese ye de parliament ya ekoya ye nyina ye draft no ehwehwe mu my parties no nyina gitumwie enti ebedru parliament na chinye gia bia ni bisa omo de omo ye nyina ye mfra park ni bia kra na de ato nani enti omo ya na okoduru ha na ye nkofo no ahwu say hanfom so wo ha ese enyeye ni ato agu na ya san de foforo aba adenti na ye bu oman no sa adwemma ni bia nta akira adenti no me de ensemu a anuyi a electoral commission fu aba say o ya be yi ano omo anu ye ni say ye wo the legal authorities here be say ya tiabre those are not arguments that convince anybody
but that those
because ya chiremu a chire o say electoral commission cannot have any powers here beyond what the constitution requires them to do.
Perfect. But I'm saying, sir, whether electoral commission here independent or whatsoever, it's acting in the interest of reasonable number of Ghanaians, inclusive is the NDC and the MP.
He's working against the interest.
But I'm saying that the core mandate.
They are supposed to do that.
I'm saying that's the core mandate. That's the core responsibility.
They are supposed to do it. And if they are not doing it, every citizen should hold their feet to fire. Say, do what you have to do in our interest.
But generally, the picture is clear now. The commission is going ahead to register.
No. The picture is not clear. What are they going to register? Who are they going to register? What law are they going to use to register? Where we are now, this is where we must make the corrections. In the first place, Mosemo ye amendment. The amendment has not matured. In teaching how can say register, or the old existing law no be register. And our concerns will be dealt with. Say, also say sanwa drop way, and now law no and mature. The tosu mi nunso. Also would infidie monobi na eba. Now they are by registration. We train in no nema we nyina no. Existing equipment I see a year obsolete no I know the year because nema na wa na say anything they say electoral commission one adwuma say one be establish even playing field. Then let us come to some can we no manu ye NI for anu ye no. Enti no de me can say NI for be confirm say one adwuma no ye incomplete. Enti ye incomplete data and cover Ghana ni bia as I say cover no. That being the case, you know, what be used to say incomplete data no say no represent all Ghanaians inti o de ko twire din ama o ma be say o mo franchise bia no o so ye wrong. Number 2, NIA for can say, one electoral commission for any
They can collaborate. Yes,
okay, case here, I call court. COVID directives, no. Obi call court to her. Echo PA say, Nipano, Akonya injunction, NDC for Akonya injunction, Ediato NIA for Juma so say. President intimima directive. Ni inclusu asore. Ni inclusu masalachi. Na sukusu nyina ye inclusu. Now NIA mumu ye Juma directly under the presidency. Muntimi mfa munkuku ne munkaka enko president no ankasa so ni krom. Se mu ye registration. Ne yede na no asem no ayemra echichi binom. Na mu a oni mu ye Juma directive wo madwuma mu. Mu san akoye adwuma no so wo ni krom. Na mo be fa mo ho adi enti e de court na judge jitu mu say omonyai afi enkwati a sometimes na president wo mo ba year yenim ho hwe yenim ho president asofo no akuku dam no kokosra no wo ebo mpa ye ma no wo ayi ho no ba ko bisa no say na mo say ya lock down sa na ma nyina ye nya adwuma ya suspend sa na ma meetings na adi nya adwuma. Na that is NIA for a registration or Eastern region. President here, woman can say on tea.
But at the same time, no tea. Was a big
good. Some maker, I may establish here or see on tea. Next you. I feel on tea, ya. I just say, yeah, yeah, call ama ya call issue injunction. No, yeah, boawama. What you want? And I Jacob one year injunction now to so. I feel. Yawa omo koye appeal. Ye koye appeal ya. State lawyers ya president womu na ye abai no lawyer for no. Womu na akodi animu akogina court say ye ntia say injunction no be adwuma ye nyim free. State lawyers even him say abai ye mra president ye mra bia womu e draft. Na wo a wa draft mra ma yakona so. Na obi boso. Na obi free baby akoka say nipa ya obusu ide wo say president adwuma ntim de court akọ stop nipa no. Na wo ye mra no wo san ko gyan court say o ma ho kwai na ye nyim free ho na nipa no nkobu so ye bisa say adentia wo say registration no and I registration no ye me de akwa akoto aba omo ye ama electoral commission for the akwa akoto aba nti ye nyi injunction na free so a sa Ghana ebe ha Ghana abato no. These are all on record. So a hono and a cat no a bar out of the bag say nipai wanu ye ya mo kan uso nim ho hwe afa so ye force uso na ye ode mraba asofo bi a wo mabusu kra akoche wo mo nipa ne na nam krom ya chichi bi de wo ma court ya buebu special court na afa yakọ na yakọ akobisa say nipa a wo buso ono so nkan exempt yi ho uso unim ho hwe na emie nipa na nafi wa ba say munya no manenko na mra no wo ya magana fo nyina na wo ya ma nipa bi no. Then Uncle Siwa, after 1 year, Sadi, and they say, ya lift this injunction. Ghana food and the dear no goose, so I just say, 1 month to me, Uncle to Aswa, a Jumano, a was at them. Into what it tells you, they say, ye me, 1 month as I see ye, na nipa umye. Now say umye kura wo adwuma no nam de koye adwuma enti electoral commission for no so a wo mo so ebe kan say wo mo ne NIA fo ni nkutahudie bia no eye den na 17 institutions ya NIA fo aboso user wo mo a wo mbe use data no so abobo be 60 or 17
aboso Senate NHI Statistical Service Birth and Death Registry, any Ghana Immigration Service. Wabubo bododo na.
Ade na wako court no wan ka say sanko fu ne hia data no. Na okoyi electoral commission ka say electoral commission ne hia data no na tam wo adwuma so. Nkita hundie bi anko mo ne wo ntam. So you cannot tell me say Ghana for nyankwala.
So general Kachire NDC kusi nkusi koda nkoda. There name prescription in times like this for
your prescription need the right thing.
Election 2020.
You be you su Ghana mradia ya adwuma e wo ne kwaso.
So emrano
Na
say
emrano say Ghana ni bia waduru 18 and above no. As a sort to aba. Na ye nhye say electoral commission etwere ne din. Enti say electoral commission ye nhye bia Ghana fo adi 18 and above. Nya wo munyina na benya kwanya atwere wo mudin a wo mu bu Ghana constitution so.
Ba na mbusa say nti moko meeting ni electoral commission fo hia. San susuye we nyina no.
Wonte ha na electoral say IPAC ye adwuma. Wonte ha na ye ne wo mo yakoye saa nnemba e ho achinye sem ne ade wo mo say uhie be IPAC no kura ya yagu. Yakọ akote ye ne a committee of eminent persons. Committee of eminent persons no so na mo san akodi tro wo mo animu a saa abre muntimi ne wo mo nhia bi.
Etro be no.
Because entra wo mo akodi wo mo animu ne say argument no by say ye betwe register na ye ntwe register wo mo ne ehia. Assemble akopa na edamu a edi ahim ene say register no mo say credible bibibi answer ye mo say mfidi a ye de ye ho adwuma ne ade na mo pese mo sesa de a adenti na data no mo sesa ena wo mo kan wo mpanimfo no nyina nim se data no nya de a wo mo to agu wo mo enya se wo mo kan wo ma no keke wo print documents chema 21 ayifo no nyina e ma ye nyina bi eye no slides Emma Ghana fo nyina hwe. Omo bisa say questions most people ask. Say, are we going to discard the current voters card? And I'm saying no 3 times. And I'm say, how would the people with existing voter card no? Ombetimi akotwere omudin. And I'm saying to ho say obi okuta existing voter card no okoduru registration center ho a ode to ho a ne ahweso ne atwere ne din no okọ when na ya asem a omo ka kire asofo akuku dam eminent persons ya won kasa ebo ejama won betra mu no when na omo ka kire omo nti obi sa omo mu bia documents ekuta no say electoral commission for say obi okuta existing card no ebenya kwan atwere ne din dia and the NDC for months among can say, ye 2 voters register good na be ye entiasie. Na enne, wako ako free sa nema nyina chi. Afa achire wa obra na president afre parliament mpanimfo say wo momra na ema dwene covid ho. Wo mo dwene covid ho nti eda ense say parliament kwa atranse. Enu nti ye ma parliament kwa atranse sa ada. Sada no meba mama no menka se bin si da mesro mama no nsi na omo ba ya moko akosmogre eyi CI91 amendment letter electoral commission actually to so and say ye dey ba for pre-laying according to parliamentary practice. Eno na da so na chairman sambo nso atimi akoye any other paper so on that day no atimi akoye other paper one free president ho ba o makoye other paper addendum ye ba bele document ya nipa o de bakura nka say ye be ba for laying na wa kosore ya Mr. Speaker update ye kan ho say ya lay 21 days ko eno ni Eastern region registration no so na ekoso aye kan eno so wo nya no so kai say sa na mai na me kan say say na ekoso dia ene sa restrictions ya president wo ye ti say de o twe ye nyina ya dwene akọ covid-19 ho no
ho na ma do ka say
o de covid-19 enti adwen a eta akire ni say o pekwan bi no afa so ye nyina ya dwene wo covid-19 no afa akire minim yes because am ya adwuma 40 years enti adwen bi ta akire ana wo mo mo amonti ase no mu didi matem Ghana ha nyina akire ase aye ba se mo hu de ba
because me ka say de ni nyina so abeka kasa
sasa ate na wunim on say ade bi wo ho a ba bia nipa obi betimi akoforo dua se o hwe akire onhu bafan bi so te ho fam say ohun de e wo dua na aki obi aforo dua no ohun ade no nso obi te fam bafan ontimi nante nso ohun ni nyina enu nti saa de no mekokan no wo mo a na wo mu nim adwuma na ni so no so ene general kura ajama o se onye ni se yade no kura wo ho de obi a interpretation bi a obi ade to so no de to so because of sa name entra na ade no ba na hu early warning sign na wa correct a ebe kwa koduru bunumu se afa na pese correct na
so amendment see na ntwa omo de fa asie boko
sa enti anu nti akire wo mo koye mai wo mo withdraw ansa na wo mo sign ale wo mo withdraw no 2 times third one was so here because kwanya ye nyina ya establish say ye fa so yihye abato omre ye wo committees kura wo electoral commission say legal committee and a technical committee all along legal committee your parties no representatives from electoral commission for representative from enti se mra bi ne pese ye de parliament ya ekoya ye nyina ye draft no ehwehwe mu my parties no nyina gitum wie enti ebedru parliament na chinye gia bia ni bisa omo de omo ye nyina ye mfra park ni bia kra na de ato nani enti omo ya na okoduru ha na ye nkofo no ahwu say hanfum so ha yesi enye ni ato agu na ya san de foforo aba adenti na ye bu oman no sa adwemmo ni bia nta akira enunti no me de ensemu a anuyi a electoral commission fu aba say o ya be yi ano omo anu yi ni say ye wo the legal authorities here be say ya tiabre those are not arguments that convince anybody
but that those
because ya chiremu a chire o say electoral commission cannot have any powers here beyond what the constitution requires them to do.
Perfect. But I'm saying, sir, whether electoral commission here independent or whatsoever, it's acting in the interest of reasonable number of Ghanaians, inclusive is the NDC and the MP.
He's working against the interest.
But I'm saying that the core mandate.
They are supposed to do that.
Okay, I'm saying that's the core mandate. That's the core responsibility.
They are supposed to do it. And if they are not doing it, every citizen should hold their feet to fire. Say, do what you have to do in our interest.
But generally, the picture is clear now. The commission is going ahead to register.
No. The picture is not clear. What are they going to register? Who are they going to register? What law are they going to use to register? Where we are now, this is where we must make the corrections. In the first place, most amendment. The amendment has not matured. In teaching how can register, or the old existing law no be register. And our concerns will be dealt with. Say, also say sanwa drop way, and now law no and mature. The tosu mi enunso. Also would infidie monobi na eba. Now they are registration. We train no nema we nyina no. Existing equipment I see a obsolete no I know now because nema na wa na say wakra no e mai. Enti adan na wo mfa fede no nto nchen. Ne entrance ne ehunu se ba bia ya dure kwan ba na ese se ye fa so koyanim. Na still o ye boni we wi no free so na oguso. Obroni friend no full hardiness. Sasuban no obroni friend no full hardiness.
Sasuban so de ban enye papa.
Yes, anuntina boache jan. South boache jan sem. Boache jan say de wo mo je no. Se wo mo anya ya etimi kofa kuba. Ah man fa say o ti obeyeku. Ah, man sa me no ti hoi. Se minim se minu ane wo. Akoto to duro kuta. Ukuta matches. Ana wato petrol. Ukuta matches, ukuta cigarette.
Me bokoko. So ebotimi jab.
Na me ka say masa ade akuta wi. Unim na ya sa obenom joti na pa matches ya wawu. Kokoba me bo wa mo anya wo nkwa utire didi mu no. Wa san ba say ofese o hye me. Kana editor wi ase.
Johnson Asiedu Nketia, General Secretary, biggest opposition party NDC and Brede Tia Kesia Commando do now again so only my make say Socialist International Forum no Vice President a few years ankasa na dwumadi bɛbɛ wie ɛwɔ saa nhyehyɛm as vice president kabiri wo man kabebu san sɛ
opese otumi ana na yeso covid ya ba yeso etumi
na this meet say you wrap up
me kwa pesa me kwa mesa ye mesa continue ya vice
appoint da ho so betimi asa ko as vice
oh yeah betimi akọ
I see
betimi akọ bebre say ayi UN Secretary General
yeah
Guterres
yeah
ono na no ye president
okay
ento okoya na ebreduru ya UN for fa no man koye Secretary General ena ma akwanya to ho ayekoto aba ayi Papandreou Greece for former president no ono obey.
But the difference here is that Ghana for being no party for being sees more of you as a running mate and to serve Ghana more full time than say the other side amanoni adwuma kese. But I'm sure what is uncle mono. People are really expectant.
Matisa man for
but
enya man for no anu ne de pe running mate.
Okay.
Flag bearer ne o choose running mate na e won panimfo a consult.
But it's not bigger than you. Clearly you fit into that position.
Oh, some can say the mammy ameye.
Running mate for the NDC. Joseph
Me say, Macassa hold the mammy, a jumabia me ya. A ya dia, menya quenya dia sumo mino. I will mean the animal who the mubiano. What the mammy I mean pupumity. In fact, he say my brabo asino. O maya you sue me more than say me amatima control my brabo. Intinema bebre or papa for my brabo no fast no. Ya dia o mine e direct enya dia me ka se me peni no mine pe wo ba bia na magya na me koye me pe
40 years and still counting in this game of democracy. Would you say running mate issue this time about Abibre Makebi? So what is keeping the NDC from naming or announcing? What is keeping the NDC abnormal and it is a norm?
Oh, say ma ka say ye de demra na ye adwuma me office as general secretary. Inti ebe twe obi adwene akọ bibi so no. Ne bia okoti amra bi. So far, ye mra e wo ho bibi ani ho a e kire se flag bearer no oti amra bi as at the stage. South Asia. Because say ye pe any establish share your constitution no mu say ye choose flag bearer ebi abosome ana abosome mienu asese we running mate ya eno no nka duru nka mekuta ne mu denden a ye force but bibibia nim sa de wo ye constitution mu ne say ye wa aban mu a ye yi ye flag bearer within 24 months to the election 12 months to the election ye ni aban mu a ye yi ye flag bearer within 24 months to the election. Okay. Na running mate no so ya kire article 45 say flag bearer no ono de nsusu ye say we na mpese oye na wa consult council of elders and national executive committee. International executive committee no ana constitution no emma deadline e wo ye constitution no mu
in relation to
running mate selection. Enti de any ye constitution mu no your fallback position any the war or my mramu. Or my mrano the woman ye said that ye beto ye ko file nomination no. A honor candidate be as a so ordinary running mate. Eba. Inti akwa vacuum bia into be express opinion mate say menua ayariga wa kana nipan bebre account at this stage you know it can only be limited to opinion sharing.
Always good talking to you, Papa, but I under His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, COVID management, any or minor management, no, akoye.
O say Augusto awoye no nyina manage.
Especially with the promise of 88 district hospitals and 6.
I know you're part of COVID management.
General, the president gave a caveat to that, conditional.
Interview
no, but I'm surprised.
Controversial. Say, oh, yeah, no, yes, yeah, the actually, oh, a higher, no, say, or cock 88 hospitals. Say, actually, we say 88 hospitals and can COVID management at this stage because, say, oh, yeah, I say, here, nay, pequania, ye be faso, asaw yade, ye pequania, ye be faso, I say, yade no entre. Now see in future, me see Ayasabia 88. How does it come into the fight against COVID? Now you know, until you catch any money who say, and no so obey campaign, no, any campaign promises here. All right to do it, but within the context of COVID management, and no part of it. Anything then the actually, you can say, even the area closer to COVID management, say, and Kadia, ya do certain stages, various stages of completion. Kaka say, no, dear me, I do how bit me, I was so maybe wa bringing on stream. And I know the Kokoye, ya can know, a binum or the aba on stream. A binum or laboratories here. Now, a wa, you bet me, I think I would did Kakrana, a timiama testing, no, ya spreading, no. They are doing it. It means, he say, Yachra almost say, any politics here, na facility, I bet me, aye, now they are Jenny Panquano. Over remember, be a case will be the sea and Tim Fanco. Enti what yes, the beginning, Nasana, Enti Edru Bunumuno, who say, one Koyano sa M1, Tio Yanti, and
that was why I mean, taking this opportunity. So, former chief of staff, Julius Debra, and then I'm social media, so 1,754 recoveries. No, it's not true. Miss Semo, or no, the crack.
No, I read that now.
70.
Nabia, I read that.
Julius Debra is not part of.
No, or may come will be at Julius Debra or Yare that COVID did and Cheno, and no, Asia, dear Shia, lockdown, we mean, I know, dear Shia, baby, on this, will be beer and what you say.
So, Pastor Esuban for Resurrection Power, Living Bread, Castle Branch, and happy birthday, and come on. So, soon make our say, and then so, honorable Enin, and also, Saturday and honorable Enin, happy birthday. General, life boy. What they go because brave woman papa the life boy you may say and they want a boy you come they still need you alive.
Good.
They want to keep you safe. Into you life boy semana coming in your